Jah Light say, before you clean up Babylon, you have to cleanse up your soul first. I look within, see the roots have changed. World in pain, but I can't stay strange. Children crying, elders sighing, and still the wicked keep on lying. So I turn to the mirror with a humble heart. Ask Jah to guide me from the very start. If the world need love and I am mine, it starts with I, the first in line. I'm looking upon the face of the lion, strength of Zion, stand firm and true. If I want change this world around me, first I have to change what I do. Rise up, let the spirit realign. Rebirth come from the face of the lion. Too many lost in Babylon fear, passing by while the sufferer there. But just say love is a mighty fire, burn out hate and lift man higher. So I take a stance in a righteousness. No more slackness, no more distress. If every man build from inside clean, the whole world shine with a golden. I'm looking on the face of the lion, strength of Zion, stand firm and true. If I want change this world around me, first I have to change what I do. Rise up, let the spirit realign. Rebirth come from the face of the lion. Heal up, rise up. Heal up, rise up. Heal up, rise up. Heal up, rise up, Jah flame ignite. Zion gates open, welcome the light. Love man talk love, but live in spite. Start with yourself, make wrong things right.